Hello, good morning. Reading of tax update in online tax update. There is an update on 23rd of May 2023 where Department of Commerce, Commercial Taxes, Government of Karnataka has issued a circular number GST-02/2023-24 regarding generation and quoting of document reference number on communication document pertaining to search and inspection. The GST portal system generates various documents such as notices, order, etc., which are communicated to the taxpayer. Most of such documents have a system generated unique identified DIN, document identification number, RFN, reference number. These documents, by virtue of being generated by the system, are already traceable in the portal, mostly on the taxpayer's dashboard. Further, in compliance with the direction of Honorable Supreme Court of India, in the case of Pradeep Goyal versus Union of India, writ petition civil 320 of 2022, dated 18 July 22, and in view of government's objective of transparency and accountability in tax administration through use of information technology, a facility of electronic generation of document reference number by the state tax officer has been developed by GSTN. Under this facility, the tax officer can generate a RFN for the physically generated correspondence to be sent to taxpayer or other concerned persons. This facility also enables taxpayer or concerned person to validate the authenticity of that document by verifying the RFN generated both pre-login and post-login in the GST Common Portal. In this regard, all the officers are hereby instructed to generate RFN reference number in respect of all offline communication, physically generated communication such as notices, adjournment, order, reminder, and RFN so generated shall be superscribed on the document. The process to generate RFN is given below. The tax officer has to navigate to service RFN generation. The RFN generation page is displayed. Second, RFN can be generated by entering appropriate details in the fields and clicking on Generate RFN button. This RFN shall be mentioned in the communication to the taxpayer. The RFN generated page looks as under. Guidance to taxpayer. The taxpayers can verify the RFN of the physically generated document offline communication made by the tax officer on the GST Common Portal, both pre and post login, by navigating to services, user services, RFN, verify RFN option. The guidelines used under this circular are procedural in nature, hence cannot be made use of its interpretation or provision of the law. Instruction issued in the circular shall be followed scrupulously by all the officers, and any violation or deviation will be viewed seriously. Thank you. You can read this update in the online tax update under state circular. Thank you.